Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back. My name's Garrett.
I'm Alyssa.
We are the Leffersons, and we have a special something for you today.
We do. We have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
But this ain't no regular Bibbidi Bobbidi box.
It's really not. This is a Bibbidi Bobbidi box that is supporting a cause. If you are new to our channel, we love to open Disney subscription services, and Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes is one of our absolute favorites, actually our absolute favorite.
Yeah.
And we are super duper excited to announce that we are Bibbidi Bobbidi Box brand reps, so we're like mind blown.
BR.
Yes.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Box brand reps.
Yes. So we're super duper pumped for that and just extremely honored and thrilled and so excited to work with the amazing ladies at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. They are incredible and we're just super duper pumped. But this is actually something new that they have started in 2020, and it is called Because. Basically, new in 2020, Bibbidi Bobbidi is giving back. Each month they are giving back to something different. And so in January, they are giving back to the Australian Wildlife Relief Fund, and
specifically the Australian Red Cross and Wires to aid in the Australian wildfire relief. So instead of getting a cheat sheet or a spoilers alert on the top, because it's the same item in all the boxes, they send you a nice little thing here. And it says that they are donating $3,721.
Oh, that's awesome.
To help in the aid. So
that is
they
so
have
fun.
a cute little roo here. And it's since they're the Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, it's the Because.
Yes.
And this is Brenda, Trish, Amanda, and Becky. So.
And I have to say, one of the reasons why we got this box, yes, of course, we know all the items that are going to be in it. We decided to get the entire collection. You can just get like bits and pieces if you want. We decided to get everything because it is kangaroo themed. It is all Roo themed from Winnie the Pooh. And there is never any Roo merch in the world. So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity for us to support not only Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, but the Australian wildfires. It is so sad. Koalas and kangaroo, it's just like heartbreaking to me.
Now it's raining, so it's starting to help.
Yes, it's starting to help. Some of the fires. I'm just so we're extremely excited to get these items. Let's get into opening this box.
When you open it, it has like the Roo colored blue paper.
I'm so excited.
And then you, with the Bibbidi Bobbidi box sticker. And it's all covered in foofies.
Yes, of course.
So whenever you open it, it's all kind of packaged. Whenever you open it, it's all kind of packaged together.
Yes.
And I think it's all rolled into one.
It really is.
Package.
Yeah.
All right, so give me a second.
So this is all of it. This is what it looks like. The shirt is wrapped around, so you do get a t-shirt, and we will show you that first. Since it is Roo, I got my size.
Of course.
And it is so adorable. It is this really pretty gray, and it has Roo right there on the pocket. It says Roo with just a period, and there's little Roo right there. And I love that Roo has a little heart on his shirt. And then all the way down at the bottom, it says Kanga. So it's got Roo at the top, and it says Kanga all the way at the bottom, and then on the back it says the Because.
I like that.
I absolutely love it. I kind of want to put it on right now. I'm gonna put it on right now.
It's almost like a brand.
It is, and I'm fully support it. I'm excited to see. They haven't posted what February is, but I'm excited to see what it is. I feel like if it's things that we are interested in, then we would love to support all these different causes. I'm gonna put this shirt on. Yay! I have my shirt on.
Got it on now,
so
peeps.
cute. I love it so much.
So on top of everything that was, it kind of fell out, is a set of stickers.
So you do get a sparkle pack in this.
So it has Stitch hanging out with some little baby koalas there. Here's a not so impressed koala.
Is this
He's from
kind of from Zootopia? Yeah, that's so cute. This is
the koala sunning himself.
Yeah, but I feel like this has got to be representing something, like a mashup of something, because these are all mashups. Comment down below if you know what this mashup is.
Then we have Mickey throwing a boomerang, because boomerangs are a weapon of the Aboriginal people.
Mm-hmm.
And finally,
Mickey.
The Roo.
Oh, I love it so much.
That's that new style Mickey.
Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Actually, the stitch with the koalas is adorable. Like, adorable. Wow. Fun.
This, I gotta say, this bubble wrap is like awesome.
Big bubbles.
So percussive. And so this is what was rolled up inside of the t-shirt. This was rolled up inside the t-shirt and it's all covered up. And it is a Because coffee mug with Roo and the Because.
Well, I figured the mug would be perfect for you because the t-shirt's in my size and the mug is like more your thing.
Exactly.
Though we do love Disney mugs, and this is just perfect for us.
And it's black on the inside and it has a black and white handle with a little Roo on there so I can sit there with my little tea.
I absolutely love this idea, and I love the idea of giving back.
I'm interested to see, like, maybe February will be like heart association. Who knows?
Yeah, I don't know. The entire collection, I'm gonna look up and see what the entire collection is for you. It's $54, and then we might have paid an extra $5 for shipping. So it's around $60 for the shirt, the mug, and the sparkle pack. And that money is of course going to the Australian Red Cross and Wires. So we couldn't have been happier to support this cause, and this purchase was a no-brainer for us. Okay, so just kidding, this box is sold out. I lied to you. I went on to look and it does say that it's out of stock. I don't know if you can purchase the separate items. You'll have to go on their website and look. We'll leave all their information linked down below and our coupon code if you want to save $7 off your first box or your first Disney box or Harry Potter box. All the boxes. They also have a Bee by Bibbidi brand, which they're selling super duper cute leggings and things like that, like workout wear. So
I have some on order.
So just be sure to go check them out. They're an amazing company. We are super duper excited to work with them this year, and that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel for more Disney content, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
See you later.